Well, if you are watching this video, if you have arrived here, definitely you are getting an error which says total quarterly breakup in STCG 15% is less by XYZ amount, whatever the amount is. And it was so irritating for me because I spent a lot of time just figuring out where the hell this was. Obviously, it is part of the capital gains because it talks about the STCG short-term capital gains, that is. So it has to be the part of CG. Now, this form that you're looking at is ITR 3, but I have seen this error. People facing this error with other forms as well. So if you're trying to figure out where this goes in, so basically what you obviously would do is you would have probably sold some mutual fund or stocks, and you should have received some capital gains, and you fill out the amount, which is absolutely perfect. But the problem is it is asking for the quarterly breakup. Now, if you look at this form, it is not very intuitive. One is it's too long, and then it doesn't talk about the quarterly, exactly in that on those words, or this is not pointing you to exactly where you should be looking at. So in case of ITR 3, I just discovered that it is part of at the very bottom, it is part of this particular short-term capital gain, and this is where you have to fill it in. So up to 15.6 is the 15th of June, and then this is up to September 9, that this is up to December, this is up to the March. And now if you think about it, yeah, I mean, it is quite intuitive. I mean, it's basically makes a lot of sense, but they should have mentioned which point that is number one in, let's say, SI number one or whatever the point is. However, it was not mentioned, and that was the cause of a lot of grief for a lot of people. And I am just gonna add that. So there are in fact I have it in the last quarter, and in fact they have 5 columns. It's not just 4 as 5, because they have made one separate thing between. So this starts ends at 15th of June. This is at the 15th of March. So between 16th of March and 31st of March, there is another section. So I'm just gonna add my gains here because I was in quarter 4. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say add that amount rather here. And now I'm gonna try and save, which will do the validation, and that error is gone. All right, so that's how you fix this irritating error when you are filing the ITR. I hope this helps you.